Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stevie Ray Vaughan's Change It. We'll start by breaking down the core 12-bar blues progression. Pay close attention to the shuffle rhythm, which is crucial for capturing the song's feel. Practice transitioning smoothly between the chords to build a solid foundation. This will set you up perfectly for the more intricate parts. Next, let's tackle the iconic main riff that kicks off Change It. This riff is essential for the song's identity. We'll also explore the minor pentatonic scale, which is your blueprint for soloing over the blues progression. Focus on developing strong string bending and expressive vibrato, key elements of Stevie Ray Vaughan's playing style. Achieving Stevie Ray Vaughan's sound involves more than just notes. It's about technique and tone. Cultivate a powerful, aggressive picking attack to get that signature bite. For your tone, consider using a clean boost or a light overdrive pedal. Set your amplifier to deliver a warm, slightly overdriven sound with plenty of headroom. To truly master Change It, consistent practice is key. Start by practicing slowly with a metronome to ensure accuracy and timing. Listen to the original song frequently to internalize the nuances and feel. Finally, challenge yourself by playing along with a backing track to integrate all the elements you've learned into a cohesive performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.